today we'll be doing something different. I got this today, picked it up, Dell monitor, so today we'll be opening it up and then I'll set it up and show you what it's like. Got my scissors here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna okay. Good. Oh no. It's okay. The scissors are supposed to come apart for like cleaning or something. All good. Alright. First we have the cable to hook it up. Right? Alright. Looks pretty good. Never really seen that before too much. To take off some boxes or something up on the top here, I guess. I'll put that in the garbage there. And here we have some more cords. These are ones that I've actually seen. Put that over there. And here we have the cord to plug it into the wall. Okay. Gonna bend that, and this will bring out this piece. If I can get the cardboard out of the way, we will pull it out. There we go. That's the mount. I'll take that out of the wrapping in a minute. Here we have some more cords. This one's USB and stuff. My god, there's a lot of cords in here. And we have a DVD as well as some instructions. Anything else in here? Alright. I'm going to unwrap this before I take the actual monitor out of the box. Alright, so here we got the stand. It rotates. It's really cool. I like that. This goes up and down. Pretty cool. Rotates like that too. So that's pretty nice. It's got little locking stuff in it. Got the little cord hole there. Okay. Now comes the piece de resistance, the actual monitor. Okay, how do I get this out? Put that there. Okay. Try to grab underneath so I don't drop it. Because if I drop this thing, that would suck really bad. Alright, we have got it. Okay. I'm not going to unwrap this until a little later. I'm going to set it up and then I'll be back. Alright, so as you can see, we have it all running. Nice, crisp, big picture. It's only in 720p right now because I have it hooked up to my laptop and it doesn't support 1080p. But I will be getting a new computer it'll be here in not long, like under 2 weeks it'll be here. I'll make an unboxing video for that and you'll be able to see this in fine 1080p. Which will be amazing. Let's see if we can load up some gameplay here just to show how it looks. Should look very good. Is there something I'm playing? No, it isn't. Alright. Let's get this thing going. Computer. Play Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Alright, does it go, so I'll figure it out and get back to you. Okay, so Steam's having some troubles right now, so I can't really get any gameplay footage of it right now. But I will on my new computer when it comes. Stay tuned to see the unboxing of that, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.